Hello everyone, today I will be going through Feliks Zemdegs 4.22 world record 3x3 solve in 2018. Now, for this scramble, you need, just like Max Parks in my other video, yellow, green facing towards you and white on top, and you need to do this scramble. And your cube should look something like this. Okay, and so for this incredible solve, what Feliks sees first is the yellow cross, and he sees this block right here. And as we can see, this yellow edge is at the opposite colour of the centre. And so, with F facing towards us, Feliks does an F prime. And as we can see, the edge is also the opposite of its centre colour. And as we can see with this edge here, it's also the opposite of its centre colour. So, with just a now R prime, and so as you can see, we're just a D2 away from having these three edges solved. However, Feliks sees that this edge needs to be solved. So with a D, R prime, and another D, all the edges are solved. However, before he does his final D, he rotates and inserts this edge here. And now with a simple D prime, it will give him an X cross. However, Feliks does not do this because he's a genius. He does a wide U prime, still solving the X cross, but giving him more space in the front to work with. And he spots this 3-move insert with just a U prime and an insert. And then he does a rotation. And for Feliks's next pair, he does the blue and orange. And for this, he does this case, making this pair. And also inserting the pair. And so, for his last case, the green and orange, instead of doing the obvious insert, what Feliks wants to do is preserve this white block here. So he does a U2 and a rotation. And so from this position, with the orange-green corner in the back, he just does this simple flip, setting up a 3-move insert. And so we can go straight into this OLL case, which is this. And it gives him a PLL skip with no AUF, and that is how he did his efficient solve. Thank you for watching. That was Feliks Zemdegs' 4.22 solve in Cambodia in 2018, and if you would like to see more of my series, I've got Max Park's 3.13 world record on my channel, and I'll be doing more in the series.